centuries ago, a newfound spirit of discovery inspired mankind to broaden its horizons. Art, anatomy, architecture, engineering, nature. Not one field was left untouched in this new approach of universal thinking.
Il concetto rinascimentale.
I have always embraced a concept borrowed from the Renaissance, embodied in a sentence by the great Leonardo da Vinci over 500 years ago. Art and science are disciplines that must walk together hand in hand. The creative team at Pagani Automobile merges the artistic and technical disciplines in their everyday work. For the past decade, the Pagani Zonda has been critically acclaimed by the automotive media, opinion leaders and car enthusiasts all over the world. It was clear from the start that the next Pagani would not be a replacement of the Zonda, carrying over its race car character. A new breed had to be born, from a new inspiration.
Il concetto di questa nuova macchina.
The concept of this new car was inspired by the fascination of flight, by the elements air and wind. It was our goal to transform these somewhat intangible aspects into a material creation. When you talk about cars, wind and air are terms normally only used when it comes to the aerodynamic aspects. But with the Pagani wider, wind was the theme that would also draw the aesthetic lines of the car and reflect its character. The wider is aggressive, but elegant. The wider is dominated by two characteristic lines, modeling the waistline inspired by shapes created in nature by the strength of the winds. The strength of the line along its path culminates when it reaches the dramatic air intakes to end gracefully in the tail lamp assembly. The styling of the Pagani wider was perfected over the course of 5 years. 8 scale models and 2 full-scale models highlight the subtle changes during the delicate research. Pagani Automobile's know-how in advanced composites has matured for almost 3 decades. The characteristics of weight and stiffness of the composites used in production made the Pagani vehicles strong and light. Safety of the occupants is a primary aspect for us when we design and build a component. The central monocoque is made in a carbo-titanium composite, a material that offers the rigidity and low weight characteristics of carbon fiber and makes sure that during an impact with stresses beyond the point of fracture, the titanium holds the parts together. All aluminium parts are machined from a block, like a sculpture is born from a block of marble. We create the parts of the interior from blocks of aluminium, from carbon fiber and other refined materials, such as natural leather, materials that tell a story by themselves. In the creation of every one of these parts, there is obviously a great deal of technology and precision involved, but none of the parts would be able to be appreciated by the mere fact of having been made by the best CNC tool available. An object is able to transmit emotions when there are the manual skills involved. The genius from the head being expressed through skilled hands, passion, heart. Only then does an object come to life, is given a soul, and is able to tell a story.
Prende un'anima e riesce anche a dialogare.